Learn body parts and its vocabulary in this video.
Bonjour mes amis, welcome to my channel all about life and French corps.
Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les parties du corps. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. On commence maintenant.
Les chevaux, les chevaux. Le cou, le cou. L'épaule, l'épaule. Le dos, le dos. Le coude, le coude. La taille, la taille. La hanche, la hanche. La cheville, la cheville. Le talon, le talon.
Check my previous video on body parts. Okay, c'est tout. C'est fini. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for my latest videos.
Today's key sentence is ça va, which means how are you. This is used for informal language. Ça va.
Check the description box for French apps, games and many more. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.